Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ka Khring Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka niga app na ka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa bagi jan jongpi kin kuit bha, benar kam, da ka Oswell Soup, hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Kagan Hun Menteri Jongka Sorkar Jela haga arpau tarik unaitung arajar arfulai, kala shim ya karai ban Pynbhariew ya ka Nongmahir lek, kabadon ha temri bhoi khnang ban kentiu ya ki kam jungok kai prathei haga ni gathang. Haga jingi kren bat kilat pathai kubor, u Menteri rang baka Jela u Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulayathu, baka Sorkar kalapan sanpau ekar ya ka jaka ha Nongmahir haga dor shipau klur tengka. Bad yaga nega dor lapan hi da katanat penmi khajana Jongka Sorkar Jela bad bansa shimti da ka MTDC.
And this is being done, as I said, to increase the overall land bank with the state government so that tourism projects can take place. And we all know that this area, Nongmahir Lake area, is very beautiful and very scenic and has a huge potential for tourism. And hence, with the procurement of this land, we will be able to take up tourism projects in this area. Because that's a very a scenic location, so we feel anything from having resorts there to different kind of activity-based tourism out there. It's a nice lake, so we could have facilities of boating and other water body-related activities can be there. So there are multiple activities. We are open to that, but we felt that it's a highly potential area for tourism, and government of Meghalaya, especially through MTDC, should have this.
How much amount it will involve?
Roughly about 10 crores.
50 acres.
Yeah, it is at the rate of the prescribed at the what do you call it, strict revenue rate. Yeah.